Hey everybody, Lucky Jack here, and today I'm going to be working on this 1961 Chevrolet C10 Apache. Now this truck's pretty special to me and my family because this truck was bought brand new by my great-grandfather in 1961. This was his work truck and farm truck, and he used it for a very long time, up until he passed. Then it was given to my grandfather, Papa, who is shop I'm in, because you know the background's not looking normal for some of you guys. And you know what? I love this truck. It's very basic. It's all original except for, you know, a few cosmetic things. But besides that, original inline 6-cylinder, but it's having a few issues running, especially with the cooling system. Mostly because apparently the radiator has some broken fins in it, but it is the original radiator from 1961. So I got a brand new cold case aluminum radiator that I'm going to put in it. And I'm going to do probably a few other things, but I'm going to make it run and drive again for my grandfather so that he can take it out and have some fun with it. You know, he likes to drive it from time to time. It's a good cruiser. And you know what? Let's get started on it. So I need to drain the radiator into some buckets or the old bottles that the antifreeze came in, because this is brand new radiator fluid. It was only in here for a little bit before the leak started. So I'm just going to go ahead and just reuse these canisters. I'm going to fit them up under the truck and just slowly drain this in there so that it's easier to pour in there when I get to it. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. But just know that I did it. Big brain moment right here. Cut the top off of your antifreeze or coolant container, and then it just can go down in there like a bucket that actually fits under your truck. Look at that. Big brain moments. I'm going to start sharing those more often, so you better stay tuned so you can learn more about big brain moments. I tried not to make a huge mess. I definitely made a huge mess, but it's okay because I'll clean it up and it'll all be good. So basically, this radiator is not super hard to remove. It's just 4 bolts and then it comes out. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the full 4 bolts real quick, and then it'll be out, and I'm swapping the new one, so let me get started real quick. So now I got to run the truck so we can get the water circulating through the engine, and that'll allow me to fill it up some more, you know, so no air bubbles in it, so no coolant issues going down the road and overheating, which I've had happen before because I didn't do this. So I'm going to make sure that I do this on this truck, and let me get it running real quick. It's alive! Look at that. Look at that. That is running nice right now. Let me put the air cleaner back on. So the C10's fixed now. I got the radiator put in. Everything was working. It was cooling. I'm not going to take this one down the road like I normally would because it's not my truck. And, you know, it's got a lot of history to it. So I'm not really feel like taking it down the road. I will have my grandfather take it down the road. But, hey, grandson fixing it for Papa, whose dad used to own this. So it all comes around in the end. Great-grandfather's truck in 1961. Now it's my grandfather's, and one day it'll probably be mine. So if you liked what you saw this video, please like and subscribe. Check out more of our videos because this is the best dadgum 16-year-old hot rodder content on YouTube. See you next time. Lucky Jack Racing.